Okay, I'm going to show how to make this sketch, although there is a sketch in the book, but it's really good to know how to make your own sketch. Important thing before you start your sketch is you put this little key here that tells us where north, south, east, and west for directions. That's important because we have 90-degree angles at all of those intersections, and if we use our diagram to base the degrees that they're talking about here, things will go much smoother. So, let's read the problem. A bridge is designed to be built across a small lake from a gazebo to a dock. The bearing from the gazebo to the dock is south, 41 degrees west. From a tree 100 meters north from the gazebo, the bearings to the gazebo and the dock are south 74 east and south 24 east respectively. Find the distance from the gazebo to the dock. So, it sounds like we have this lake, right? So let's get a picture of the lake in there. And then we have a gazebo over here. So let's put our little gazebo. And we'll put a dot for the point we're talking about. And then there was a tree over here. And the distance from the tree to the gazebo was, I think they said 100 meters. So we'll put that in here. Let's get this line in here. All right. That's 100 meters. All right, and what is the other thing they were talking about? A gazebo. Oh, the dock. Down here, they're going to have a dock. And what they're trying to do is build, right, a bridge from the dock to the gazebo. So, let's draw some more lines here. This will be our bridge. Here, we could make that one a little bit thicker if we wanted. We'll do a double line there, so it looks like a bridge. And then from the tree to the dock. All right, I should put those all as dashed lines. That's how they are in the diagram in your book. Now the other thing that the book had was a line going down like this and a line going down like this. Now what's important about those two lines is they're north-south lines. Okay, and what's helpful is at this dot I have the north-south line, so I'm just going to continue and make the X sort of grid there so that I have all my 90 degrees, and I'm going to do that here also. All right, and I'm going to do that here, so I'm going to put a north-south line through there and an east-west line through there. Once you have those lines, getting the angles in the picture is really easy. Now, the other neat thing about this picture is it's a triangle, and everybody knows about triangles, right? The sum of the interior angles is 180. So, all right, let's put the degrees in. So, this one here said from the gazebo, it's south, so you see from this dot, moving south is this way. Then off of the south line, I go 41 degrees to the west. That's west. So that's 41 degrees. All right, let's go back to the tree. There's two different figures given from that. From the tree, we have south and then 74 degrees. So I'm on the south line. And I want to go 74 degrees from this line east. So, there's 74 east. I'm going to put it up here, 74 degrees. That's that whole part. Then also from the south line, I have 28 degrees east. So this little angle is 28. I can squeeze that in there, 28 degrees. So, now, we've got to put more degrees in there. This interior angle of the triangle here at the tree, I know the whole angle from here to here is 74, and this part of it's 28. So I can subtract those two numbers to figure out that this is 46. So if I want to draw my triangle off of the picture so that I can get a better idea, this is 46. This is 100 meters. I need these two other angles. If I get them, and the question is asking us to find how long the dock has to be, the distance from the gazebo to the dock. So I can use the law of sines. I could say sine 46 over x equals sine, oh, I need this angle, over 100. Well, that angle's easier to find than you think. Let's continue these north, south, east, west lines. Do you see what I see? Oh, yeah, you do. Some nice right triangles, so that's 90. So if this is 28 and this is 90, you better believe I can figure this out to be a 62. Let's do the same thing over here. That's 41. This is 90. What do you think this guy is? 49. All right, I talked a lot about triangles. You knew that the sum of the angles was 180. Well, this is a straight angle. Do you remember what the sum of the degrees of a straight angle are? Right, 180. So if this is 62 and this is 49, I do 180. Subtract those two, I get 69. Home free. This problem's almost done now, right? All right, what did I say we were going to do to solve it? Sine 46 over x. Now make sure your calculator is in degree mode. So check that out before you get started. And then this is 69, so sine 69 over 100. Now it's easy. Pick up your calculator. Do 100 times sine 46 divided by sine 69. And you should get x equals about 77.2 meters. There we go. You can do these. Sketch your drawings. Make sure you know the north-south direction for your picture, and then get your parallel lines in there, your north, south, east, west lines. Once you have those, it's easy as pie. Good luck.